Hello and welcome back. For those of you that do not know me, my name is Cynthia. Today I'm going over the Morphe X James Charles palette. I decided to give this palette a shot. I had to play with it, I had to try it out, and yeah. And also in this video I am using the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill brushes. I'm giving those a shot. I just got those today as well, and I wanted to see how those work because they've been sitting out at Ulta and I keep seeing them, and I wanted to try them really bad. So also I touched bases with those brushes, and I run along a few snags along the way, unfortunately, but I will explain those in this video. And also I will leave the link for the Morphe X James Charles palette just so you guys can know where to go to get it when it is restocked, and you guys will be able to get on the Morphe palette website and be able to sign up to get subscriptions, well, not subscriptions, to get an email alert when this palette is supposed to be restocked. Sit back, grab a snack, and let's get into this. Alright everyone, I apologize in advance if you can hear noises in the background. My neighbor decided to pick up leaves in December, and it was literally as soon as I got my makeup done. So I'm not happy about this. I'm going to continue and I'm going to film this video, and I apologize so much if you can hear the lawnmower. So to start off with, I got the lovely Morphe James Charles palette. My lovely maid of honor, she got it for me as a Secret Santa gift for Christmas, and I feel bad because I could not get one for her. I tried so hard, and she was lucky and she walked into it also, and there's the last one sitting there and she snagged it. So if they come back out with it again, I'm for sure gonna have to get one and give it to her. Let's get started. So as you can see, I'm wearing like a dark army green shirt, and I think I'm gonna do my eye look to match my shirt. And this is the palette, and as you can see in this corner, you kind of got some greens going on. So we're going to be working with those colors today. It's just an overall beautiful palette. It literally has every color that you could possibly want to work with and create amazing looks with. So I think James did a really good job on this palette. There's some of these colors in here that are the glitter, the shimmers, and they are just wow, especially the purple one, and it's got the blue metallics in it. Like, that's just beautiful. It stands out, it pops out at you, and there's like no two colors that are the same. They're all different, especially these pinks right here. I can't wait to dip into those. I like doing pink rose gold looks, so I'm for sure gonna have to be dipping in those. But as you can tell, I already did my makeup. I already started doing that. My face is good to go. And then also in this video, I went and I picked up the Morphe Jaclyn Hill eye collection. The Jaclyn Hill Eye Master collection. Oh. The Eye Master collection. I've been wanting these brushes for a while. I want the whole set actually. But I got also a beauty gift card for Christmas, and I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and get these bad boys. So eventually I'll get to the full brush collection. So to start out with, I'm taking the JH33 or any brush really. So I'm going to start out with this lovely canvas color right here. I also have some extra sunshine going on today. The sun decided to come out, even though it's been gloomy for the past week and a half. Christmas was yesterday, and we had a little bit of snow. It did not stick, so unfortunately we did not have a white Christmas, but that's okay. So I'm taking this Jaclyn Hill brush, I'm going in canvas, and I picked it up nice and well. There's not a whole lot of fallout. There's a little because I had to rub the brush back and forth. Oh, I already have bristles falling out. Alrighty, now that I have a base color, I'm going to go ahead and zoom you guys in, and I'm going to fix the sunlight real quick. Be right back. I zoomed you guys in, and I'm going to try my darndest to stay in focus. I will try to make sure that I'm in focus. Now, to start off with, I need a nice transition color. I really like that yellow. I'm going to go into the B shade. I'm only going to do a very little, just so I can give this green a nice little pop. I feel like this isn't buffing it out very well like I want it to. So I'm going in with the JH39, one the more of a smaller, more controlled brush. Alright, I am done with my yellow. I think I'm going to call that good. Now I'm going to go in with that Social Blade color. I'll show you guys real quick. I use this yellow right here, and I'm going in with this color right here. Ooh, we're looking like the Grinch now. And green vibes up in here. Alright, I think I'm done with that lighter shade green. Now my brush is green. Yay! And I think I'm going to go back in with that JH40 brush for this darker green right here. This one right here. I am not sure what's happening here. It doesn't seem like it wants to blend on very well. Blend in very well. Sorry. The lighter green seems to be poking through the darker green. So this is kind of interesting. Right now I'm using the JH32 brush. This seems to be working pretty good. Better than the JH40 brush. I'm not sure what was going on with that brush. So I'm going to go in with a more of a fluffier brush and just buff it out a little bit more. So I'm using the JH30 brush. Nice clean one, and we're just gonna give it more of a seamless edge, not so harsh. Alright, now I feel like I should do a little bit of a cut crease on this just because I feel like the darker green's a little bit too overpowering, and I just feel like it's going to give that shimmery guac color more of a pow and make it pop. So I'm going to use an angled brush like this, and I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape. And I'm not going to set my cut crease or anything like that. So I'm going to go in with that lovely guac shade. And if you haven't noticed, I've been working in this four corner here. And we're going to go ahead and pop pat this on her eyelid. So I think the lighter green that I did is popping out a little bit too much, and it's just not combining very well with the shimmery green. So I'm going to go in with that darker green, and I'm just going to work it in a little bit better. I'm going to pop some Legendary Links on. This is Ulta's. I want to do no falsies with this, but I feel like the only way I can get away with this look is if I had falsies. So what I'm going to do is just go in with that darker green, because I did not like my lighter green, if that makes sense. I was not a fan of that. It didn't work how I wanted to, that's what I should say. And whoops. I am just focusing on that lower lash line, and you want to bring that lower lash line into your upper eye look here. And I'm going to bring it down a little to right about here. I'm going to buff it in. And then I'm going to go in with that guac color. I'm taking my pinky finger and I'm just going to go from the inner corner, and I'm going to make it meet to where I did my matte eyeshadow. Alrighty, so as you can tell, I popped on a lip color, and I also finished applying my lashes, and I put mascara on my lower lashes. This is my finished look. I think it looks amazing. I love how my green eyes go with my green shirt. It worked out perfect. I think that for some reason when my colors weren't blending very well, I'm not sure if it was the brushes itself or the palette. I don't want to say it was the palette because I switched to a different brush and it worked a lot better. Next time I use this palette, I'm going to use the brushes that I normally use, not the Jaclyn Hill ones. And if it works better, I think I'm going to move on from the Jaclyn Hill brushes. I just got them today for a personal Christmas gift. I had money that I put towards it, so I'm not sure if it was the brushes. I feel like it was 100% the brushes. I'm gonna give that another shot. I'm gonna try this look another day, another time, and use different brushes, the brushes that I normally use and I'm comfortable working with. So I think maybe I just need more experience with these brushes that Jaclyn Hill has with Morphe, or I feel like it's either me or the brushes. I definitely don't feel like it was the palette because I moved to a different brush and my color went on so much better. It was amazing working with this palette. I can't wait to have to do my makeup again so that way I can do a new look. Oh, I'm so excited. But I want to thank you guys for watching, and I think that's it for today. Until next time.